This is Project JP, an E.C.D custom Defender 110 built to our client's exact specification. JP is painted in full gloss Keswick green with black and silver accents. JP sits on 16-inch steel wheels finished in white with our BFG all-terrain tyres. This 110 also features a 4-point internal roll cage, all black front grille, white roof, 2 rear round LED work lights. Inside, Project JP features a Momo Indie wood steering wheel and Nostalgia VT gauges. JP has 2 Puma Classic heated and ventilated front seats, a 60-40 split mid-row, and inward-facing bench seats in the rear. Each seat is finished in Koa rawhide leather, stitched together with a brown thread. Project JP is a great example of our retro lineup, powered by a Rover 4.6 litre V8 engine with 5-speed manual transmission. This 110 also features an array of modern conveniences such as JL Audio sound system, rear AC, CarPlay and charging points throughout. This is a great example of E.C.D's all-Rover lineup for those who are looking for vehicles to stay true to the heritage of the Defender, inside and out and underneath.